cool.
A Pretty Cool Hotel Tour!
Welcome to A Pretty Cool Hotel Tour. Today we are doing a very cool house tour. We are going to get a tour of Sam's world.
Well, the inside of Sam's house.
Our friend Sam has this gorgeous house. She's an incredible interior designer and just an overall very colorful person and has great taste and has just put together the coolest house. Let's check it out. Hello, thank you for having us.
Oh my gosh, of course.
So we're getting the official house tour. First of all, tell us about this living room space.
A lot of this stuff is vintage and some of it is like from my childhood. That like Coca-Cola is one of my favorite things.
Yeah, I love that.
That was my dad's.
No way.
I sent him a screenshot of how much it was going for on eBay and he was like, I want it back.
Oh no.
I got this when I went to go see the Barbie movie. It was like a popcorn.
You got one? We all tried and it was sold out.
I said it was a popcorn bin, but it's just a Barbie
It's just a Barbie car. Wow. Well,
It turns out you can put popcorn in it.
My friend gave me this dog. I think she found it in a estate sale and it's a cookie jar.
oh my gosh, that's so cute.
We love dogs and poodles especially. It wasn't always like this. Like it was multiple shelves of books that I literally never touch. Like no offense to book people, but like I don't need.
You don't need to look at them all day.
Do I need 20 Sweet Valley High books? No, I don't.
So many good little treasures. I could literally just like look around for hours.
I definitely have a design style that might be like a different decade, but I just love like melding everything together and how everything looks in the same space.
Also, you happen to have really great taste in literature.
I was gonna say,
seems like seems like no sponsorship there, but.
What's the bread situation?
So I just got this candle from a store
my
called
gosh.
Parchment Paper in Eagle Rock.
Oh. Wow. This is so cute. Wow. I love your things that are shaped like other things.
I actually have another thing that is actual bread.
That's
Such
wild.
an embarrassing
No, I
sentence to say out loud. I was like seated there. They were like, "Can we put this thing here?" Because
It's very cool. Good to know. Yeah, you've got a good collection of breads. You clearly have collected over many years, like each piece and like each silhouette, like you thought through it and you slowly add to it. Like it feels very, very you.
And here is our kitchen.
The funny thing is it looks so picture perfect, and because of the internet, I would usually think like, oh, their house definitely doesn't really look like that, but it really does look like that.
That's
Like
such a compliment.
you just actually find cute things that are functional. It's like, no, you actually use that viral tulip tea
You never
kettle.
know what people are going to be obsessed with.
Oh,
Here's our bedroom. So my friend Sin made this for us.
oh my gosh.
Sleeping in it. She's a star.
So cute. Such a great little space. I approve.
Let's go to the next room.
Wanna come with us?
Oh, we have a visitor. Would you like to come in, sir?
Okay, obviously this is another one of those viral moments that you have to explain.
You are looking at a rotating closet, Clueless style.
Incredible.
Teddy would like a belly rub. He said it's time to pause. This story is not interesting. There he goes.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't think of myself as a creative person for so long because I wasn't like an artist or something. And now that I've been getting to do that, it definitely like heals my inner child, which I'm sure you could see from looking around.
Yeah.
Now do I talk?
Yes.
Okay. Should we do that one more time or does it matter? And here's the backyard.
Just one of my favorite places
Mine
to be.
too.
How did you get inspired to make something so different from every other pool?
Well, if I'm gonna build this out of nothing, like might as well make it as fun and kind of whimsical as possible.
It's so perfect, and I feel like it just matches your house vibe so perfectly.
Here we are in Aaron's office.
Stunning.
This is the Madonna Inn where we got married. read also.
Do I write something? Do I just sign it?
I'm not gonna be like, write me a heartfelt message, but
Keep in touch.
Keep in touch. Thank you again. It's beautiful. I hope that we get invited back again.
oh my gosh, you will be invited back forever, all season.
I see you over the weekend.
Yeah,
I was gonna say, yeah, we'll see you
soon.